Hala, may 12% VAT na. Okay, before tayo magpanic, I will explain it to you in a very simple way para maintindihan natin. Last May 1, 2025, naka-receive tayong mga Etsy sellers dito sa Philippines ng email about sa tax changes. Ano-ano nga ba ang implications nito at sino-sino ang mga affected? Let's talk about these things first. There are two types of VAT on Etsy. We have the VAT on buyers and yung VAT on sellers. Sa VAT on buyers, kahit saan pa located yung Etsy shop mo, kung yung buyers mo ay nasa bansa na required ng law na magbayad ng VAT, macha-charge yung buyer mo ng mas mataas na presyo dun sa product mo including the VAT. Example, if you have a buyer from UK and yung standard VAT rate nila doon is 20%, tapos yung product mo is worth 1,000 pesos, they have to add the 20% of 1,000 which is 200. Pag inad natin yung product price mo plus yung standard VAT rate na 20%, ang babayaran ng buyer mo sa'yo is 1,200. Pero yung 200 na yon or the 20% VAT is kukunin ni Etsy yon and ibibigay dun sa local authorities nung bansa nung buyer mo. Next is we have the VAT on sellers. Since required by law in the Philippines na ang 12% VAT, kailangan na natin bayaran yung 12% VAT on the seller fees and not on the product price. So let's do a quick math. Kung yung product mo is worth 1,000 pesos, may babayaran kang mga seller fees. Number one is the processing fee, which is the 4.5% of the total order plus 25 pesos. So yung 4.5% ng total order mo na 1,000 pesos ay 45 pesos plus 25 pesos. So ang processing fee natin in total is 70 pesos. For the transaction fee naman, that's 6.5% of the item total. So, ang 6.5% ng ating product is 65 pesos. And for the listing fee, which is $0.20 and that's equivalent to 11.20 as of now. Depende yan sa conversion rate ng dollars. So, kung i-add natin yung total seller fees, meron tayong binabayaran na 146.20 pesos kung yung product mo ay worth 1,000 pesos. Ngayon, since affected na tayo ng 12% VAT, kailangan na din nating bayaran yung 12% ng seller fees. Seller fees, the 12% of 146.20 is 17.54. Meaning to say, ang total seller fees including the 12% VAT na is 146.20 pesos plus the 12% na 17.54. Therefore, ang babayaran na natin is 163.74. So, ano nga ba ang VAT registered at non-VAT registered? VAT registered kung ang annual gross sales or receipts mo ay 3 million pesos or more. So you can provide your VAT ID to Etsy so you won't be charged 12% VAT kasi ikaw na mismo ang nag-handle ng tax filings mo. Kung non-VAT registered ka naman, ibig sabihin you are either registered sa BIR or hindi, pero ang gross sales or receipts mo ay below 3 million, unfortunately, hindi natin maiiwasan ang 12% VAT. Since hindi tayo pwede mag-remit ng VAT, nire-require ngayon si Etsy na sila mismo ang mag-collect ng 12% VAT sa atin at sila na mismo ang magre-remit ng VAT natin sa local authorities. So, ano ang gagawin natin? Kung kumikita ka ng 3 million per annum gross sales or receipts, kailangan mong mag-submit ng VAT ID para exempted ka sa 12% VAT. Pero kung below 3 million naman, simply continue operating your business. Hindi na natin maiiwasan ang 12% VAT. So if you can strategize your pricing para hindi mo masyadong ramdam yung 12% VAT on seller fees, pwede mo rin itong gawin. So, yun lang. I hope you have learned from this video, and if you have more questions, feel free to comment below.